Picture a time when dinosaurs ruled the Earth. These magnificent creatures, ranging from the towering Brachiosaurus to the fearsome Tyrannosaurus rex, dominated the land. Their reign spanned millions of years, during which they adapted to various environments and thrived in a world vastly different from our own. Giant ferns and towering trees carpeted the land, creating dense forests that provided shelter and food for countless species. These ancient plants, some reaching heights of over 100 feet, formed a green canopy that stretched as far as the eye could see. Rivers flowed through lush forests, teeming with life. These waterways were the lifeblood of the prehistoric world, supporting a diverse array of flora and fauna. Fish, amphibians, and early reptiles thrived in these aquatic habitats, while the surrounding vegetation flourished in the nutrient-rich soil. The air was warm and humid, a stark contrast to the world we know today. This climate created a thriving environment for the dinosaurs and other prehistoric creatures, allowing them to grow to immense sizes and develop unique adaptations. But beneath this serene surface, a hidden power simmered. The Earth's crust was restless and volcanic activity was a constant presence. These volcanoes, some of which were among the largest ever to exist, held the potential to unleash catastrophic events. Deep within the Earth's core, molten rock churned and surged. This molten rock, or magma, was the driving force behind the volcanic eruptions that periodically reshaped the landscape. When pressure built up to a critical point, the magma would break through the surface, resulting in explosive eruptions. This was the age of dinosaurs, but it was also an age of intense volcanic activity. The dinosaurs lived in a world where the ground could tremble and the sky could darken with ash at any moment. These eruptions were both a source of destruction and a catalyst for change. These volcanoes were not merely spectacular features of the landscape, they were powerful agents of transformation, capable of altering ecosystems and driving evolutionary processes. The ash and gases released during eruptions could change the climate, affecting life on a global scale. They were a force of nature capable of reshaping the planet and altering the course of life itself. Lava flows could create new landforms, while ash deposits could enrich the soil, fostering new growth. However, these benefits came at a great cost to the creatures caught in the path of destruction. Eruptions, both large and small, were a constant threat to the dinosaurs. The sudden and violent nature of these events meant that entire populations could be wiped out in an instant. The dinosaurs had to navigate a world where danger lurked beneath their feet and above their heads. They spewed forth lava and ash, burying entire landscapes under molten rock and suffocating debris. The aftermath of these eruptions could be devastating, with habitats destroyed and food sources obliterated. The dinosaurs faced a constant struggle for survival in this volatile environment. The tranquil world these creatures knew could be transformed into a fiery inferno in an instant. The sight of a volcanic eruption would have been both awe-inspiring and terrifying, a reminder of the raw power of nature and the fragility of life in the age of dinosaurs. The Mesozoic Era, spanning millions of years, was a time of immense geological upheaval. Volcanoes played a pivotal role in shaping the world as we know it. Across the globe, massive volcanic provinces erupted, spewing out lava flows that stretched for hundreds of miles. These eruptions released enormous quantities of greenhouse gases into the atmosphere, influencing the climate on a global scale. Volcanic activity wasn't always destructive. While massive eruptions caused widespread devastation, smaller, more frequent eruptions actually enriched the soil. This, in turn, fostered the growth of lush vegetation that provided food and habitat for a wide variety of dinosaurs. The dynamic interplay between volcanoes and life had a profound impact on the evolution of these magnificent creatures. While lava flows and ash clouds presented immediate and visible dangers, it was the invisible gases released during eruptions that posed the most insidious threat. Volcanoes ejected vast quantities of sulfur dioxide, carbon dioxide, and other harmful gases into the atmosphere. These gases had far-reaching consequences for the planet's climate and the health of its inhabitants. Sulfur dioxide, reacting with water vapor in the atmosphere, formed sulfuric acid aerosols. These aerosols reflected sunlight back into space, leading to global cooling. On the other hand, carbon dioxide trapped heat, contributing to a greenhouse effect. This combination of cooling and warming created a volatile climate, characterized by extreme temperature swings that put immense stress on ecosystems. Section 4. The Deccan Traps, a case study in catastrophe. One of the most dramatic examples of volcanic activity during the Mesozoic Era is the Deccan Traps in present-day India. This region, now a vast plateau, was once the site of one of the largest volcanic events in Earth's history. The Deccan Traps are a series of layered basalt formations that cover an area of about 500,000 square kilometers, making it one of the largest volcanic features on the planet. This massive volcanic province, formed by a series of colossal eruptions, spewed out an unimaginable volume of lava over hundreds of thousands of years. These eruptions were not just a single event, but occurred in multiple phases, each contributing to the extensive lava flows that we see today. The lava flows from these eruptions are estimated to have been over 2,000 meters thick in some areas. The Deccan Traps eruptions released billions of tons of toxic gases into the atmosphere, with devastating consequences for life on Earth. These gases included sulfur dioxide, carbon dioxide, and other volatile compounds that had far-reaching effects on the environment. The release of these gases would have led to a significant increase in atmospheric aerosols, which in turn would have caused a dramatic cooling of the Earth's surface. The sheer scale of these eruptions had a profound impact on the global climate. The injection of large amounts of sulfur dioxide into the stratosphere would have led to the formation of sulfate aerosols, which reflect sunlight and cool the Earth's surface. This cooling effect, known as volcanic winter, could have lasted for years, leading to significant disruptions in weather patterns and a drop in global temperatures. The release of massive amounts of sulfur dioxide caused acid rain on a global scale, poisoning water sources and damaging vegetation. Acid rain would have had a devastating impact on plant life, leading to the collapse of ecosystems and a decline in biodiversity. The acidification of water bodies would have also affected aquatic life, leading to further ecological imbalances. The Deccan Traps eruptions are believed by many scientists to have played a significant role in the decline of the dinosaurs, weakening them and making them vulnerable to other environmental pressures. The combination of volcanic winter, acid rain, and the release of toxic gases would have created a hostile environment for the dinosaurs, contributing to their eventual extinction. While the exact cause of the dinosaurs' extinction is still debated, the Deccan Traps eruptions are considered a major factor in this catastrophic event. Section 5. Fire and Fury. Volcanoes versus the Asteroid. The extinction of the dinosaurs, a defining moment in Earth's history, has been the subject of much scientific debate. This cataclysmic event, which occurred approximately 66 million years ago, wiped out nearly 75% of all species on Earth, including the mighty dinosaurs that had roamed the planet for over 160 million years. The question that has puzzled scientists for decades is, what exactly caused this mass extinction? While the impact of a massive asteroid 66 million years ago is widely accepted as a major contributing factor, the role of volcanic activity in this event is a topic of ongoing research and discussion. The asteroid, estimated to be about 10 kilometers in diameter, struck the Yucatan Peninsula in what is now Mexico, creating the Chicxulub crater. This impact would have released an enormous amount of energy equivalent to billions of atomic bombs, causing wildfires, tsunamis, and a nuclear winter effect that drastically altered the climate. Some scientists believe that the Deccan Traps eruptions, occurring around the same time as the asteroid impact, weakened the dinosaurs and other life forms, making them more susceptible to the devastating effects of the impact. The Deccan Traps, located in present-day India, are one of the largest volcanic features on Earth. These eruptions would have spewed vast amounts of lava, ash, and gases into the atmosphere, contributing to climate change and environmental stress. Others argue that the asteroid impact was the primary driver of the extinction event, with volcanic activity playing a secondary role. They suggest that the immediate and catastrophic effects of the asteroid impact, such as the intense heat and shock waves, were the main causes of the mass extinction. The subsequent impact winter, caused by dust and aerosols blocking sunlight, would have led to a dramatic drop in temperatures and a collapse of ecosystems. Regardless of the exact sequence of events, it is clear that both the asteroid impact and volcanic eruptions had a profound impact on life on Earth. The combination of these two catastrophic events created a perfect storm of environmental upheaval, leading to one of the most significant mass extinctions in the planet's history. Understanding the interplay between these forces not only helps us unravel the mysteries of the past, but also prepares us for potential future threats from similar natural disasters. Section 6. A legacy in ash, the enduring impact of volcanic eruptions. The age of dinosaurs may be long gone, but the legacy of volcanic activity continues to shape our world. Volcanoes are a powerful reminder of the immense forces that lie beneath the Earth's surface, forces capable of both creation and destruction. While they pose a threat to human life and property, they also play a vital role in shaping our planet and its ecosystems. The story of the dinosaurs and their demise serves as a stark reminder of the delicate balance of life on Earth and the profound impact that geological events can have on the course of evolution. As we continue to study volcanoes and unravel their secrets, we gain a deeper understanding of our planet's history and the powerful forces that continue to shape our world today.